So in this video, I am going to show you how to make use of the XM online bank transfer option for making deposits. Okay, so log into your XM app. So when you are logged into your XM app, you are going to select the account, the trading account you want to make your deposit into it. When you click this drop down icon, if you have more than one account, that is more than one trading account, you will click on it and you will see any other one that you have. So you are going to select which one you want to make deposit into it. So I want to make deposit into this, so you click to select it, then come to deposit and click deposit. So you are going to see the various deposit methods that are available on XM broker. So you can see the online bank transfer option here. There are many other options. I have made a video showing you how you can use cryptocurrencies, USDT, to make deposit on XM. If you want to see how to do that, the video will appear at the top right hand corner. And also, if you want to deposit a lesser amount of money, such as $5, you can use this online naira if you are in Nigeria, and you can make deposit with it. I have made a video about that as well. It will appear at the top right hand corner. However, this online naira is a platform, so you have to register on online naira before initiating this option. So for today's video, it is how to make the online bank transfer deposit on XM. So I am going to select the online bank transfer option for making deposits. So you are going to select the bank where you want to send your deposit from. So click here to select the bank. So I want to send my deposit from OPay, depending on your bank. Now, I want to warn you, do not use any other person's bank account to send money into your XM account. It will be flagged. Okay, you may lose that money. So what you do is you have to send it from a bank account that carries the same name as the one that you gave them in your XM account. Okay, so whether it is OPay, whether it's GT Bank, whatever type of bank, as far as it carries the same name as the name on your XM, you can use it. So I am going to use OPay. Then select the amount of money that you want to deposit. The minimum deposit for online bank transfer is 50,000 naira. You can see it here. They have written it for you. For the purpose of this video, let's add 70,000. You see, so you have $51 that will be given. In fact, let me add it to be 90. So you will have $65 that will be deposited into your account. So once you have done that, you click this I declare and acknowledge it, then click deposit. So they're telling you, please make sure that the requirements below are fulfilled so that your deposit is fully processed. Okay, so click confirm. So select the browser to open, because they are going to generate a local account for you that you would deposit the money into it, and it will reflect. So it's a virtual account with any local banks around in Nigeria. Depending on where you are coming from, the same thing will be done to you. Your local banks, if you are in South Africa, you are in Cameroon, you are in Ghana, your local bank will be given to you. You will deposit money into that local bank account number, and it will reflect in your XM account. So I am going to select the browser. So they are showing you is P2C. So click continue. So here it is. You have 10 minutes to make payment into this account number. Okay, so you can see is money point account name is Trans World Pay, account number is this. So I'll click here to copy the account number. Okay, see it's copied already. So make sure you pay the exact amount of money, which is 90,000 naira. Okay, do not miss it. Don't be wise trying to say you pay 89,900. It will not reflect. So pay the exact amount. So I am going to go over. So I am in my banking app now. 9120017. You see, so it's Trans World Pay. Click next. Confirm. So you see the account is Trans World Pay. 90,000. Click. So we have succeeded in making payment. So when you come over to this place where you are making the payment, just click transfer is completed. So you can now go to your XM app. So we are in the browser, remember. So we can now go to our XM app. Click the back button or the X. So let's wait for some minutes. So you can log out and log in again to refresh it for you or to update it for you so that you know if it has reflected already. So after about 25 to 30 minutes, I got an email from XM that the deposit is successful. So I can now log into my XM app and confirm. So we can see that there is the deposit already in our account. So this is how to make use of the XM online bank transfer deposit option. If you have any other question regarding how to use the online bank transfer deposit option on XM, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.